my god! Oh, that's pretty cool.
Uh-oh, be careful, guys.
Yeah, $10. I got $10 too.
Cash!
Yeah.
Woo!
Nice,
Hey, you gotta save.
Look at Snoopy.
I snowbird.
Yeah, look at Buddy, jeez. Hi, Buddy, you enjoying that?
Strobe effect. Oh, it makes a white code.
Is that good? Is that good, Buddy?
1986. Wow. How did I open it? What else you get? I got a few words. Wait a minute, Cody, because it might have the code on it, honey. Where's the combination? Wait. Oh, no. wait.
He's a safe cracker already.
It's called Fort Knox.
Is it really?
Yeah. 42. I'm 42.
Honey, it's just figure that out here in a minute. Put your money there.
God, look at the loot piles already. You guys are ridiculous. Yeah, good buddy. Yeah, good boy. Boy, you couldn't have gotten him a better gift. Look at him. Boy, he's got the death grip on. Get it, buddy. Get it. Let me see him carry it. Come here. Get your bone. Wow. What are you doing over there, Santa?
Good. Oh, here. Why don't you guys do this real quick? Okay.
You gave them their bill?
Yeah, alright. Yeah. Be careful. Don't rip them. Oh, that's
How much money? Oh my gosh!
first page.
Aww.
$25 per car. How is this possible?
I don't even know.
There's a way that I think I can put them on my phone instead of shopping online.
Oh, sweet.
So we gotta figure that out. But don't lose the paper.
That's disgusting.
Was that Buddy?
Yeah, I think so.
Oh, God.
I'm too happy.
Slow down, bud. It ain't going anywhere. Here, buddy, buddy.
Wait a minute. Who doesn't have one
Those two.
now? Those two.
I was 3. I was 2.
Those two.
Mrs. Santa Claus.
Yeah.
Hi.
Better not be a ball.
Box in the ball.
Oh my god, I got a priority mail. I found it. What is this?
You're not giving up on that bone, are you, bud? You're a good boy.
Oh, it's like Google in your pocket. Yes.
Ooh. That's pretty sweet.
Oh my god, they're done. I'm so excited.
And bullets?
You have to try and put that together, Bean.
Oh boy, we're in trouble now.
Celebrate it. They all fell out on my lap, and I was like, oh my gosh.
Let me see, Bean.
It's a Rubik's Cube. That's not really a Rubik's Cube. You have to put
It's a make me square puzzle?
It's something that'll keep me entertained.
Right on. You time yourself, see how fast you can do it.
She probably will probably do it later. Me too. I don't need a present.
Cody, I think you're the first child in history to ever say that.
What?
He's just said, I don't need a present.
You're gonna have them next to me.
Oh.
Oh.